at home. It's time for Cookin' with Sherry. And I'm Sherry. Today, we're going to make something very simple, very tasty, and very, very soothing. It's called 1-2 turkey.
Move out of the way of TV.
Now, you can use the turkey left over from last week's recipe for turkey with codeine stuffing au gratin if you've got any left over.
There's all a damn racket in there.
Sorry, honey. I was just thinking.
Yeah, well, knock it off.
Have you ever been involved in a relationship with somebody and you discover later that that person isn't the person you thought they were going to be? Anyway, the first thing you're going to need is some breading. Now, you can use cracker crumbs, but you can also use antidepressants if you're on them. Today, I'm going to use muscle relaxants. It's a good idea to rotate your ingredients, otherwise you'll build up a tolerance for them. After all, he is pretty tense. The car's been repossessed. He's been laid off. He is just a bomb waiting to go off. Now, I've been marinating the turkey in tequila all night, which gives this dish the 1-2 punch of alcohol and the all-natural depressant tryptophan. Yay! That's why I call it 1-2 turkey.
Go on.
Mommy? Yes, honey?
Daddy wants a beer.
Okay, honey. He's not your daddy. There. Now, I've already got one prepared, so let's have a look.
Damn beer ain't cold. What the hell's wrong with you?
Excuse me for one moment.
Don't you yell at my kid.
Hey, I yell at him if I want.
If you want to yell at your own kid, go to my sister.
Hey, you best shut your mouth before I shut it for you. Keep cooking.
I'll keep cooking. Let's have a look, okay? Doesn't that look delicious? Remember, the better it tastes, the more he eats. And the more he eats, the more drugs get into his system. And they keep his temper under control until the divorce is final. But here's the real test. How does it taste? Let's find out. Honey, dinner's ready.
About damn time. What's for dinner? I'm starving.
It's called 1-2 turkey.
1-2 turkey. A 1-2 turkey you. I'm back.
Mommy, is Daddy sleeping?
He's not your daddy, honey. Here, take this and go get some pizza.
Yay, pizza!
Well, that's all the time we have today on Cooking with Sherry. Tune in tomorrow, and I'll show you how to make pancakes percodan, because breakfast is the first meal of the rest of your life.